Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Biodex Chlor-Ex. What is Biodex Chlor-Ex? The Biodex Chlor-Ex is a super-concentrated granular formula that will effectively remove excess chlorine from swimming pools, spas, and fountains. High levels of chlorine can be easy to miss if testing is not a part of your regular water treatment routine. Having too high of levels of chlorine will irritate the swimmer's skin and eyes, and can also damage the pool or spa and the equipment. Use this product to keep your water relaxing and equipment protected. Product benefits: removes excess chlorine from the water, keeps swimmers from getting irritated eyes and skin, keeps pool and spa equipment from getting damaged. Usage directions. Step 1. Turn the pump on and circulate the pool water continuously during the treatment period. Step 2. Always apply Chlorx with the wind to your back. Apply 2 ounces of Chlorx per 5,000 gallons of pool water by distributing around the pool water perimeter. The scoop holds 3 ounces and the lid holds 4 ounces. Step 3. 8 hours after treatment, test for current chlorine reading. If further chlorine reduction is required, repeat treatment or calculate the amount to be used to attain the desired chlorine reading. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.